Imagine every asteroid in our solar system, millions of them, suddenly turning toward Earth. Some the size of pebbles, others the size of mountains. And they're all coming here at once. If this really happened, how long would Earth survive? What would it look like when every asteroid hit at the same time? Let's go back and find out. Space between Mars and Jupiter holds the asteroid belt, a graveyard of rock and metal left over from the birth of our solar system. Over 1.3 million known asteroids float here, from tiny dust fragments to massive worlds like Ceres, almost 1,000 kilometers wide. Now imagine, a mysterious cosmic force pulls every one of them out of orbit and redirects them straight toward Earth. Visuals. The asteroid belt starts to move like a wave, converging toward Earth. The sky fills with streaks of fire. Earth's moon disappears in the chaos. Humanity looks up and realizes there's no escape. At first, the smaller asteroids arrive, thousands per second. Each one burns in the atmosphere, turning the night sky into a storm of fire. Temperatures rise globally. Forests ignite. The air becomes thick with smoke and molten dust. Visuals. Fiery trails across continents, burning oceans, black smoke covering skies. Then, the real monsters arrive, kilometer-wide asteroids traveling at 25 kilometers per second. Each impact releases more energy than every nuclear weapon on Earth combined. Cities vanish. Oceans boil. The surface trembles like a drum struck by cosmic fists. Within hours, billions of impacts carve craters into continents. Shockwaves merge into continuous earthquakes. The crust begins to melt. Volcanoes erupt simultaneously across the globe. Visuals. Earth glowing red, continents cracking, tsunamis circling the planet, every mountain chain collapses. Every ocean evaporates. The atmosphere becomes a sea of plasma, hotter than the surface of the sun. Earth, once blue and alive, now glows orange and molten, reborn as a fiery sphere. But it doesn't stop there. When billions of asteroids strike at once, their combined force equals more than 10 to the power of 30 joules, enough to rival the energy of the sun for a brief moment. Visuals. Earth's crust disintegrating, shockwaves visible from space, the upper layers of the planet vaporize. Rocks, dust, and molten metal are hurled into space. Earth's orbit destabilizes, and fragments of our world scatter like shrapnel through the solar system. For a few moments, the night sky shines brighter than 1,000 suns. Then, silence. From far away, an alien civilization might witness something extraordinary, a brilliant flash where Earth once was, followed by a ring of debris spreading outward, forming a new asteroid belt. The moon, shattered. The atmosphere, gone. The oceans, vaporized into space. In less than an hour, 4.5 billion years of history end, not with time, but with collision. Now, realistically, could this ever happen? No, the gravitational forces that keep asteroids in orbit are stable and ancient. For them all to move at once, something unthinkable, like a rogue star or galactic shockwave, would need to pass through our solar system. Even then, most asteroids would never reach Earth. Space is vast, and even a cosmic storm would take millennia to unfold. So, no, this nightmare is pure imagination. But the thought shows us how fragile our world really is, a small blue planet, protected only by empty space and a little luck. Every shooting star you see is a whisper of what could be. A tiny fragment of the cosmos, burning in silence, reminding us that even the smallest rock can change history. Visuals. Meteor shower across a dark blue sky, peaceful music rising. 65 million years ago, one asteroid ended the reign of the dinosaurs. If all of them came together, Earth wouldn't just lose its life, it would lose its existence. So next time you wish upon a shooting star, remember how lucky we are that they miss us every single night.